Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to remove background in image within a second. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open my any web browser and then I'm going to type here remove bg and hit enter. So you'll find here there is one website which is called www.remove.bg. Within this software you can easily remove background any image within a few seconds. For example, I would like to remove a picture background. So what you have to do, you have to click here upload image. So when you click here upload image, you have to find out the image where you which the picture you want to remove. So I'm going to find out, for example, this is my picture and I would like to remove this picture background. So I'm going to choose this and then I'm going to click here open. So when I click OK open, you will see this picture. This is the original picture and this is the remove background picture. Now if you want to save this, you can save, or if you want to edit this picture, you can simply click here edit and then you can choose any picture background if you like. If you want to choose different color, you can click there in different color, any color you want. Or if you have any background image you would like to set, you can choose here select photo and you can choose any of your picture you would like to set a background. Also you can use this erase tools and you can erase some object you would like to remove, or if you want to undo, you can easily click this undo button and it will return back to the normal mode. So this is how you can easily quickly remove any picture background within this particular website, and you can easily download this picture anytime. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.